Oh, I'm not okay with those. Hello everybody. My husband Ryan is here with me today. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, She's French. If you're new, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you don't know, my name is Jenna. I'm a French girl based out of California, and I make videos about curating your life French girl style. I would love to invite you to subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and if you'd like to find me on Instagram, my Instagram is @shesfrench, so just like this channel. So for today, the reason that my husband is here is because we're actually going to replicate last week's video where I showed you how to declutter like a pro, and we're going to apply it to Ryan's closet. It's been a while since he's done his closet. Ryan is actually also a minimalist. Whatever I have going on with my closet, our home, he matches it exactly. So whatever I show you for myself, he also applies for himself too. He has a little bit more than me, but that doesn't matter. Everybody's allowed to have what they want to have, but overall, he's definitely a minimalist. He's been following the same process, so we figured that we would film it today as we declutter. So let's get started.
Yeah, let's do it.
So you guys know the drill. I'm gonna help Ryan take everything out, and then we're gonna go through everything. Obviously, it's his declutter, but we're gonna do it together. So let's bring everything out. There we go, we took everything out. We left the shoes just because he's already gone through his shoes recently, so ta-da!
Any goals for this declutter?
Yeah.
My wife really inspires me, so I really like how her closet is curated, and I'm just trying to like get on that level because it feels really good. So I love your closet.
Oh,
so
thank you. I love your closet.
yeah, well, she helps me with my closet.
We have very similar closets.
So yeah, that's about it. Like,
So like more like outfits that you can mix and match. Like,
yeah,
do
just
you
like
think
that.
anything's missing in your closet right now? Is there anything you would want to like replace?
Pants. We're working on that. We just got these pants. So just like pants. I'm remaking some of my core collection designs. So
Ryan has his own brand,
yeah. So
TokyoNotJapan.com.
the shirt I'm wearing right now is something I made. So this is a one I'm keeping. But yeah, I'm gonna add 4 new shirts. So I don't really have a lot of t-shirts right now as it is because I was saving space for that.
Okay.
That's why I wanted to do the declutter beforehand, so that way everything's already organized.
Nice. I like that. I'm excited. In my video, I showed you with little oh my god, what?
Cute cards.
with little cards, but we're so used to doing this that we don't really need to have the labels. So yes, maybe no?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's start. Oh, you're so good at it. I feel like I'm watching like my own video that I filmed last week.
I mean, I learned from the best.
Which one are those?
Just some black sweats.
Okay. Oh.
This is tough because
Is it the one that has a hole in it?
yeah, what do I do about that?
If I fix that, it's gonna be noticeable. And it's, I think that one, it might be better if you remake, because I think I can fix it, but it's gonna be temporary. It's gonna unravel more.
Okay. Of course, that's gonna stay in the yes.
Oh, babe.
This is your side.
Oh. I don't like that in there.
Some Nike shorts. I put these on yesterday. I didn't feel the greatest wearing them, so I'm gonna put them in the maybe and sit on it.
That looks like it's mine.
This is like my favorite shirt, one of them, but it's now Jenna. She wears it all the time. I never get a chance to wear it anymore. So I have no say in this shirt.
You guys, I have a really hard time with pajamas. I'm just not excited to look for pajamas, to purchase pajamas, but I could really do with a pair of pajamas. So I kind of steal Ryan's t-shirt. I love that t-shirt, but I am looking for my own pair of pajamas.
Oh my gosh.
There's a lot.
Yeah, so I have a lot more clothes than her actually now.
Yeah, I thought you had very little. You kind of accumulated a little bit, but it's been a long time since you've decluttered. Or like, have you even gone through?
These are pajamas. This is a long onesie pajama.
He's kept this for years. Wow. Why now? Give us an official interview on why now.
Because I never reach for it.
I'm shocked, actually. I have a deep hatred for these. I never want to say that because he's allowed to choose whatever he wants, but I cannot get behind these shorts.
They're Muay Thai boxing shorts.
Oh, I'm not okay with those. Oh! Okay, you just, oh wow.
I'm probably gonna do one more go around, but this is my strong decision. I might change my mind when I'm hanging up.
Okay.
You never know.
Yeah, that
You never
happens.
know. This is gonna be a no.
Okay.
This is gonna be a yes.
Okay. I do want to fix this one. Right now, he puts like a safety pin to hold this in place because otherwise you have like two little straps dangling. I want to do like a really quick little stitch right here so that he doesn't have to have this in there, just so it's a little bit more seamless. But this is a really cool bag. So because there's a good amount of yeses, we're gonna start hanging those up to get them out of the way. He said that he's also using this step to kind of go through them again and verify that those are in fact yeses. So he might pull out some as he's hanging them up. We don't know, maybe the shorts, we don't know.
Right. So, like I said, when you go through your yeses, sometimes you change your mind. You're like, actually, it's gonna be a no for me, even though I have a personal attachment.
Aww.
The seam on these shorts, let's see.
No.
Where is it?
Other side.
Yeah, the seam is coming undone.
Oh.
You can see it. It's just too much work to like try to fix it and stuff. I've had these for years. There's a few little stains on them too. So I don't know if you can see, there's a stain right there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go on eBay and find another style pants, shorts like this. I'll probably get some black ones, some black and white ones.
Oh, you know what? I like that.
Yeah, to like match the colors that I currently have. So
That would be cool. I like
yeah,
that a lot.
I really like these as a style, just maybe not this colorway, and the seam is ripping. So I'm just gonna bounce back and get some new ones.
Okay.
So, yeah.
I support you on that.
Okay, cool.
This is a little trick that I like. If there's ever like a hood that attaches to a jacket and maybe you don't wear it with the hood, I like to just put it in a dust bag and then hang it off of the same hanger. Just tuck it inside of the jacket. That way everything's together. You don't have a random dust bag kind of just floating around your closet, but you don't have to reach for it and move it every time that you grab your jacket. So we just put everything away. That was all the yeses. We just put everything up right now just to clear some room off the bed. He only pulled out the shorts. I can't help but laugh. As a no. Now we're gonna go through the maybes and the no's. We're gonna go through whether the maybes are a potential yes or no, and then the no's, what to do with them after. So donate, sell, or just discard. So throw out if the condition's not good. So let's go do that right now. Okay, we're back.
I'm gonna go through my babies now. Cricket is
Oh.
holding the camera.
That's our tripod. Okay, so take 2. We're gonna go through the maybes now. I'm here just for vibes.
Yep. This is going to be a no. Yeah, just
Yeah,
no.
you just, I guess you're not into it.
I got 2 like face masks that I've made, like long ones. I'll probably keep one and then say no to the other. Which one?
One's reflective.
Yeah, one's white.
Do the reflective.
All right. Keeping the reflective.
Those are super cool and they look really good on him.
This is one of my hoodies. I got bleach on it, and I just feel, yeah, it's right there.
Excuse me.
Sorry, it's right there on the front. Every time I wear it, I feel kind of crusty. So, and I have other hoodies I reached for way before this one. So this is like a backup of a backup. So I'm gonna say no. And this is another hoodie. It's kind of just another one of my go-to hoodies.
It has the paint on it.
Yeah, it has paint on it too, unfortunately. So love the hoodie, but it's not one I reach for over my other ones. This vest is one of my vests. I'm gonna say yes to the vest because I haven't really worn it in the summer. I usually layer it with like my hoodie and stuff in the winter. So I'm gonna say yes to this for now.
I kind of showed something like this in my video that I did last week where I talked about not getting rid of anything seasonal because perhaps you're not reaching for it now, but maybe when the right season comes around you would. So I think that makes sense to wait for when you'd actually wear it because obviously you're not wearing it right now with t-shirts.
I wear it with layers and I'm not currently wearing layers right now. So I feel like
it does look good on you.
The Nike shorts I was talking about earlier, I'm just gonna say no on these.
Okay.
I have a pair I already wear all the time. I never reach for these.
The other pair is a nicer material.
Yeah,
this is more like loungy.
What do you think about these pants?
What's wrong?
I don't think these go with like my shoes now.
Oh.
Like maybe the Yeezys, but not really. I never really wear these like that.
You have the black kind of cargo material ones.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking
And
about.
then you have the.
So no.
Okay.
That's
It's a no.
These are pants that I made a few years ago, maybe like 4 years ago. Super cool, but they've been beat up. Like
yeah, you've worn this
there's
a lot.
ink, there's emulsion. So this doesn't go in the no pile. And this is gonna be a yes. This is the tan version of the one I said no to. I have matching sweats and short set to go with this. So super cozy. She can wear this one too. So that's gonna be yes.
Okay. Was that all?
Yeah, so that's the no right there. And I kept 2. So I kept 2 out of the 7.
That's cool. So he's putting those away right now. The last thing we have to do is just go through the no's, decide whether he's gonna sell them, donate, or discard. And then that's really the last step. After that, we'll show you what the closet looks like all finished. Looks really, really good. And because we share kind of a room closet, I really like it when our closets kind of match like and are symmetrical. So I organized those shoe boxes to match my side. It's very satisfying. So we have the piles done. This one is donate, this is sell, and this is gonna be discard. What's cool is that Ryan also uses some of that as materials for when he's screen printing, so a little bit gets recycled too rather than just discarded. But yeah, that is the declutter done. So let's go look at the finished closet. It looks amazing. Ta-da! Check it out, you guys. It's all done. I think that by just looking at it, you can tell that everything goes together, that you could create a lot of outfits with those pieces, and it's just pleasant. I think it's really important to make your closet look as much like a store as possible. I think that would be a good example because it's just a nice experience for you to go in, pick out your outfit, get dressed. It makes you feel good instantly. So of course that's going to have a positive outcome on your day. Are you happy? Are you counting?
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 pieces. Just like you.
21.
Yeah.
That's a super cool closet. And we're back. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you're still at this point, thank you so much. I have a feeling this video was decently long. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. I know it was 2 videos that were very similar back to back, but I think it was cool to kind of take what I showed you, where I was showing you examples, and actually do it for real. So hopefully you guys enjoyed Ryan's closet.
Yeah, thank you for watching.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And if you want to check me out on Instagram, my Instagram is @shesfrench, and Ryan's Instagram is @Tokyo Not Japan if you want to check him out. Bye guys.
Bye.